Okay, first of all, I'm in my pajamas. I wanted to be more like laid back today, you know. I was about to change and then I was like, nah, I'm too comfortable. So today I'm chilling in my pajamas and I want to try the Asian nose job. I have been seeing these transformations everywhere. First of all, like I don't know exactly where in Asia it began. It's most popular in Asia, but I feel like there's people out there that probably have done this. I first heard about this on tour a couple months ago, which by the way, I haven't fully touched on tour, guys. I know I got back from tour and I was like, oh yeah, I went on tour, it was so much fun. But I really want to talk about it and say thank you. Tour was so much fun. It's been so much fun.
There's been tears. We've been really
I feel like we've cried
like every show.
We've cried at every single show. It's been a freaking blast, and even though it's tiring, like not everybody gets to do this. The fact that we're on tour, like if you really let that sink in, it's amazing.
Keep pushing, chase after your dreams. I know it sounds so cliche, but
No, but it's true.
you are the only one that's gonna make it happen. A few years ago, oh my God, I'm sorry. We didn't have much. My parents struggled a lot. You know, as kids, do not give up. If I can do it, I swear all of you guys can do it. That's all I gotta say.
Thank you guys so much for coming. We truly appreciate it. Thank you to the parents for coming out with your kids.
Thank you so much for coming to the Create Your Summer Tour. We love you so much.
Thank you guys.
Appreciate it.
Thank you to every single person that came out. It was the highlight of the year. Meeting all of you guys is so heartwarming and hanging out with us. And thanks again to Kool-Aid for sponsoring that tour. Thank you to Jello Play for sponsoring the tour. I mean, we literally got to meet the Kool-Aid man. It was iconic. I was legit fangirling. I was like, oh my God, I love you. You're my idol. It was a blast. Everything was just so well put together and so much fun. And hopefully we'll get to go on tour again together. That was really fun. I need to try this. It's a whole transformation and stuff, but I'm not doing the whole transformation. The part that has me the most shook was the nose jobs, like the homemade nose jobs. I wonder if it works drastically because like I contour my nose, but I have what you consider like wider nose or like plumpier, you know. I'm also actually really curious, like, does this work? There's no way that I would do this every day or in general. I just feel like that would be for me doing a little too much for me personally, but to each their own. I'm not judging anybody who does this. I got some scar wax. I've actually used this before. I've always loved to do fun scars and stuff for Halloween. I got some spirit gum as well. Let me take off my makeup. Well, like my nose. This is my nose. I've never ever done like a nose prosthetic ever. I just don't know how thick it has to be, you know? Oh my God, wait, I messed up already. I forgot the spirit gum. I feel like I could have gone way higher. Okay, my nose already looks crooked. You guys, this is way harder than it looks. Okay, this looks so bad. I look like a joke, like an actual joke. I don't know what the heck I'm doing. Some people are so good at this, like I don't know how they do it. I look crazy. Maybe I just really gotta like work it in. Y'all, I'm just trying this out, y'all. I am not a professional. I don't know what the heck I'm doing. I'm just adding now. I feel like you need to master this like with your hands because I know I'm not doing something right. You add more like here. Because then if I just add an even amount, like it's gonna look the same, right? I don't know what I'm doing right now. I feel like I'm just gonna look botched. Nothing's gonna come good out of this. I'm definitely... This is not gonna be cute like I thought it would. Honestly, y'all, like you can't even say anything bad about these people doing this because they're talented. Like, how do you do that? I'm spreading it out so much, it's like going outward now. Like, I don't think it needs to be blended out that far. I just don't know what I'm doing. I feel like it doesn't look smooth at all. The hardest part is trying to blend this out. Oh my god, what is going on? My nose does not look cute at all. I look like a witch. Oh my god. This is so hard. I feel like if I did this every day with my makeup, this would take longer than anything else. I mean, it looks terrible. I feel like I've been botched. Look at what's going on right now. This is truly a talent, like, to get this right. I don't understand. To perfect this, I think it would legit take me like 8 hours. Like, I don't know how the heck. And I feel like I would just keep adding and adding, and then I would end up with a nose like this. Let me do my makeup and see if it looks any better. Maybe it's the makeup that's gonna make it really pop, you know? It looks crazy, but maybe some makeup is what you need to make it look better. Right now I just want to matte it down. I'm gonna put some makeup on it and see. I feel like I kind of need to get in there with my fingers. How's it looking, guys? Is it looking better? With the makeup, I can see the little mistakes even more. It just looks worse, I feel. You can definitely tell there's something on my nose. There's no way on earth that I would be able to walk out like this and be like, hello. I feel like you could probably get away with this with a picture, and then you Facetune it to fix your nose a little bit. But like, isn't this the point? You want to look like this without the Facetune? Oh my god, now I'm just collecting like on the edges. Yeah, no, this is terrible. Let's put some contour on, honey, because like, I'm not sure what to do anymore to fix it, honestly. Okay. I feel like the more makeup I put on, the more it looks messed up. Girl, what is going on? Oh my god. You are truly talented if you can do this. I don't even know why I'm contouring my nose. Like, this is kind of the point of this. Highlighter makes everything better. I look ridiculous. Okay, what's funny, guys, is that when I go on Snapchat and use a filter, like, you can't tell that anything's there. Like, my nose genuinely looks more snatched. If I use no filter, then I just look crazy. But if I use a filter, it looks normal. Let's zoom out a little bit. Let's see how it looks from far away, honey, because everything usually looks a little better. I don't know how the heck y'all do it. I mean, oh my god. Look at my, okay, from the front, yeah, it's noticeable. This is way too much work, even if it did work. I didn't even do this right, y'all. Now I just feel like I have a bunch of sticky stuff on my face. I kind of wanted this video to be like me trying it and being shook, like, oh my god, this is so crazy, like it works. But I'm kind of just like, honey. The only thing I learned from this is I feel like I appreciate their art. Whoever out here is doing this, you are talented, because this was so hard to achieve. And I don't even know if I should call this an achievement. This is a mess, to say the least. Hashtag botched. Ooh, should we remove it like how they do too? Okay, let's get a thumbnail real quick. Like, oh, it looks so good. And then I take it off. If the thumbnail's gonna look terrible, my nose looks bad. Like, how do you make this look good? The real work is gonna be when I'm trying to figure out how to make this thumbnail look good. Comment down below if you've ever tried this, or if you know someone who's tried this, or is this kind of like one of those things that people do only like on rare occasions? Do you think it's even like a thing? The more I try to fix it, the worse it gets. I need to take this off. Gets thumbnail like, ah. You can literally just like scrape it off. You're beautiful with any nose that you got. Even taking it off. This is not what I thought it would be. Even taking this off is so hard. I literally have to go take a shower. I'm sorry, y'all. I really thought this was gonna work. I was actually going into this thinking like, okay, this might be a little bit weird, but I'm probably gonna be shook like, oh my God, this is so crazy. Like, look how snatched my nose is. Props to y'all that could make this work. I hope y'all enjoyed this, and literally, I'm so sorry. I'm a mess. I need to go take a shower. Now I know I will probably never do this again because I don't have the patience for it, and also it's way too hard. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to click that like button and subscribe if you want to. You don't have to, but if you want to, down below. Thanks for watching, guys. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in the next one. I gotta go take a shower because this is literally not gonna come off. I just look crazy now.